Now your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
Cool and crisp outside this morning, 58 degrees. The air temperature, dew point coming in at 54. Feels very pleasant outside. We have an east wind blowing at about 7. I think we'll start to see that east wind switch a little bit more to the southeast later on this afternoon and probably lighten up just a little bit. It'll be a bit breezy for the first half of the day, and then the second half of the day, those wind speeds will markedly die down. We're looking at temperatures across the region that are generally hugging the upper 50s to lower 60s most everywhere. 59 Wauchula, Arcadia, Myakka, Parrish, Bradenton, Lakewood Ranch. A little cooler in Sarasota at 58, but 60s along the coastline with 62 at Longboat Key, 61 Venice and Inglewood. This represents about a 5, 7, 8 degree difference in temperatures between this hour and what it was yesterday at this hour. So we're certainly a lot cooler this morning than we were 24 hours ago. But as we progress through the morning and dawn breaks and the winds start to shift more to the south and we heat things up with lots of sunshine today, we'll be back about to where we were yesterday for a daytime high coming in the lower 80s. But one thing I think you will notice today compared to yesterday is, especially if you're an observant weather watcher, you'll notice, I think, the humidity just a little bit higher today. Markedly so, I think, tomorrow, but today it'll be just a little bit higher as we head into 3, 4, 5 o'clock this afternoon. By the time we get to 7, it'll be about 75 degrees. Plenty of sunshine around as we head into the afternoon with only a few fair weather clouds. Certainly no rainfall. East wind will start to shift a little bit more to the southeast as we progress through time this afternoon. And that's what's going to bring the humidity back. Now, one thing the humidity will do will be to keep our nighttime temperatures a little bit warmer. The molecules of water are really good at holding on to heat. So that's why steam hurts a lot more than just hot air, because you know that heat is really retained in those molecules. And so as we get into the nighttime hours and the heating of the day goes away, it kind of acts like a little warm-up mechanism in the atmosphere to keep our nighttime temperatures a little bit warmer. So tomorrow, we'll probably be in the mid-60s or low 60s for a nighttime low. Then as we head into the evening hours, we'll see our temperatures fall into the 70s. And by tomorrow morning, when you wake up, I think we'll see temperatures that'll be hovering right around the 62, 63 mark. And then tomorrow afternoon, right back into the 80s once again. So radar not showing a drop of rain, nor will it as we head into the afternoon. That's not the case back to the west. Large areas of big thunderstorms again rumble across this very slow-moving frontal boundary, and there's the potential for more flooding rain in parts of the Ohio Valley stretching back into the front range of the Rockies. The frontal boundary itself will take its good sweet time, but eventually the tail end of it will be approaching us by Friday, but in a much weakened form. It won't have any of the energy that it currently does. High pressure in response moves to the southeast, and our winds twist to the southeast as well. That will bring us eventually a pretty muggy day, I think, on Friday. You'll notice that, and set the stage for a few scattered showers. So winds slacken and twist south today. Will be dry, though, until Friday when that next front approaches, and it will be warm with slowly increasing humidity as those winds twist. Forecast for boating today looks pretty good, I guess. We'll start off the day with a south wind that'll be a little breezier, but by afternoon I think it'll be reduced to about 5 to 10, and then tonight even further than that, southeast to about 5. Still, you'll have a moderate chop until those seas subside just a little bit. We'll look for 2 to 3 foot wave action out there. Forecast looks like this. We'll have today 82 for a daytime high, tomorrow around 81, and then 79 degrees on Friday with about a 20% chance of showers. As we head into Saturday, that frontal boundary kind of lingers and washes away, bringing a chance of showers early Saturday, but then that clears out for Sunday, and we're left with a very nice Easter and a daytime high of around 81. Forecast on Monday and Tuesday call for daytime highs in the lower 80s as well.